Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download GoPro Quik app templates and presets, full guide step by step clearly. Open the GoPro Quik app on your smartphone. Ensure that you are logged into your GoPro account. Navigate to the main dashboard of the app. Look for the templates section, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the templates option to access available templates. Browse through the various templates categorized by themes. Select a template that suits your project by tapping on it. A preview of the template will appear, showcasing its features. If you're satisfied with the selection, look for the download button. Tap on the download button to begin the download process. Wait for the download to complete, which may take a few moments. Once downloaded, you can access the template from your library. Now, let's move on to downloading presets. Return to the main dashboard of the app. Locate the presets section, similar to where you found templates. Tap on presets to explore the available options. Scroll through the preset options and select one that interests you. Click on the selected preset to view further details. If you want to use it, press the download button. Allow the app to download the preset to your library. Once the download is complete, the preset will appear in your collection. You can now easily apply templates and presets to your videos. To create a video, select your media from the library. Choose the downloaded template or preset you wish to use. Customize the content as needed to fit your vision. Finally, save or share your finished video directly from the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.